Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy and natural aloe vera and rice brightening soap. This soap is packed with ingredients to nourish, hydrate and brighten your skin, all made right at home. So let's get started. Here is what you will need. 400 grams of a glycerin soap base, 5 tablespoons of rice powder for gentle exfoliation and brightening, 2 tablespoons of rose water to hydrate and soothe, 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel for its healing and hydrating properties, 10 drops of your favorite essential oil. I'm using lavender. And finally, 2 capsules of vitamin E oil for added nourishment. First, cut your soap base into smaller cubes. This makes it easier to melt. I'm using a double boiler method. Heat the soap base using a double boiler. For 30 seconds interval, stir in between until it is fully melted. Once the soap base is melted, it is time to add our skin-loving ingredients. First, bring out the rice powder. This helps to gently exfoliate and brighten the skin. Start by adding 2 tablespoons of rose water to 5 tablespoons of rice powder and mix to combine. Then 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel and mix to combine. Then add the mixture to the melted soap base and stir to incorporate. Make sure to mix well to avoid any clumps. Now, add 10 drops of essential oil for a soothing scent and 2 capsules of vitamin E oil to moisturize and protect the skin. Stir until everything is combined. Once everything is mixed, pour the soap into your mold. Let it sit for 4 to 5 hours until it is completely hardened. If you are in a hurry, you can put it into the fridge to speed up the process. After the soap has hardened, carefully remove it from the mold. Look at this. It is smooth, beautiful, and ready to use. This soap is not only looking amazing, but also smells fantastic, thanks to the rose water and essential oil. And there you have it, your very own aloe vera and rice brightening soap. This is perfect for pampering your skin or even as a thoughtful gift for friends and family. If you are trying this recipe, let me know in the comments how it turned out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY beauty recipes. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.